Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization and bringing you a fun and nostalgic mod. We're going to show you how to install the iconic Ben 10 boot animation on your rooted Android device using the Magisk module. Before we get started, let's talk about why you might want to change your device's boot animation. A custom boot animation can add a personal touch to your device, making it stand out from the crowd. It can also be a great way to show off your love for a particular franchise or character like Ben 10. You'll need the following: a rooted Android device, the Magisk app installed, the Ben 10 Bootanimation Magisk module. Now, let's get to the fun part of installing the Ben 10 boot animation module. Head over to the link provided in the video description and download the Ben 10 Bootanimation Magisk module. Launch the Magisk app on your device. Tap on the Modules section. Select the Install from Storage option. Locate and select the Ben 10 Bootanimation module you just downloaded. The module will begin installing. Once the installation is complete, it's time to reboot your device. This will allow the new boot animation to take effect. You can customize the Ben 10 boot animation to your liking. Launch the terminal app and type SU followed by Enter to grant root access. Type Cool Boot and press Enter. You'll be presented with a menu where you can adjust the height, width, and FPS of the boot animation. By following these steps, you've successfully transformed your Android device's boot animation into the iconic Ben 10. It's a fun and easy way to add a touch of nostalgia and personality to your phone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and customization tips. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested. Thank you for watching.